Is there anything that's caught your eye, or anything that makes you think or impresses you?
Yes, as a matter of fact, yes. Windbell, which has politicians as a part of Windbell. Well, traditionally Windbell makes just sound when the wind comes and makes a chiming voice. But they had a kind of, for me, politicians or type of businessman. And actually it was a great metaphor for me, thinking that those who think that they are in charge, they can control. The small wind blows, and they are just the toys, they are just the puppets in hands of the broader changes. So I would like to encourage whoever was a group of authors of that windbell around that corner, you will be seen later on over there, to go ahead, make it as a series of art pieces, go commercial, make Putin and Trump series of windbells, the smallest blow of wind, and you are just a puppet.
So, what do you think of the future of art in Estonia? Are you positive about it?
Well, art is about the ability to really to address the issues and find a way to express those issues. For me, the most important and most positive surprising fact actually is that young people have so many ways to express. We are not in painting business. We are in expressing business, and you can express yourself with a video, with a happening, with an installation, and with a great piece of handicraft work, actually. So the form and the way of expression is not so important compared to the message. Message is a key. The topic you want to address is a key, and the form is secondary. A lot of good ideas, a lot of good expressions, and a lot of good questions asked here. Actually, art is something which helps us to articulate not the answers, but the questions. The good question is worth more than an answer. Answers you get from the Google.